Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing my April TBR, and yeah, I am really going to start to push myself a little hard to read now because March just was not um, pleasant as far as reading. I want to do everything but reading, but I did finish my TBR, but I knew had I been in a better mood because what's going on, I probably could have read more book. But this time around, I'm gonna do the same formula, but I'm grabbing books from my TBR shelf, and I'm hoping that I keep doing that till there is not much left on it. And I'm looking at the pile, and it's getting less and less. So for April, all my books are basically books I already own, nothing new. I do have some Kindle books that I'm going to add in the mix because I'm reading a series, so I'm going to probably pick up another two books because it's a series I'm reading. So anyway, I am on this classic kick. I don't know who the hell I am, but I'm loving it. It's going to be continuing. I'm going to be reading the last book I did. I put on my TBR. I really didn't think I was going to get through all of them so quickly. But it's going to be a part two, guys. So I will show you what other classics that I have on my part two list, which will be two more videos after this. But I'm going to show you guys. But the last book on my TBR is Madame Bovary by Gustave Flaubert. Now this one is described as what was our modern day desperate housewife. And she's married to a doctor, and she wants a lifestyle that they can't necessarily afford, and she's done some trickery. That's what I'm getting from the story. Don't know, hoping that it's scandalous and entertain the hell out of me, because I kind of like those classic stories with women who are not nice. So we'll see where this one goes. The next book I want to read is the third book in the series, and it's from Benty, and this is the Night Masquerade, and I want to finish the series out. So far, this is not everybody's favorite ending, but usually in series it's really hard to end the series where everybody's gonna like. But I'm hoping I enjoy this. And so if you don't know much about it, it is a gifted girl who wanted to go to the school, and all hell break loose on the way to the school. And she's finding much in the second book I read. She's finding a lot about her gifts, why certain things are happening, perhaps why things are happening. But this is supposed to be the end of it, and hopefully it's action packed. Hopefully it's lived up to the expectation for me. But yeah, we'll see. The next book is, gotta do it, guys. I was missing them because I didn't do any of them in March, but I'm back to James Baldwin. So this is Another Country, and this book, I wanted to start reading it back in last year, I believe, and I think I read maybe 2 chapters, and I didn't really you know what it was? It was a time when I had the swollen eye. If some of my oldest subscribers remember when I talked about being bitten in my eye, and if you were on Instagram, you saw what my eyes looked like as I actually showed it. And I just couldn't concentrate on this because my eyes just was struggling to focus. So I'm picking it back up. It is quite a few people's favorite, including Dee Dee from Brown Girl Reading. I think this is her favorite Baldwin. I'm hoping it tops all the other book because you guys know I'm loving his writing style. I'm loving his storytelling. But I don't know much. I just know that this is more of a push the boundary relationships and political things going on and all that that I'm getting from this. Passion, sexual, racial, emotional intensity. It's all kind of, it's telling me, the back is telling me that I'm gonna be all in it, and so I'm looking forward to this. The next book is an ARC that I received in March, and I haven't got to it, but I can't wait. And it's called A Phoenix First Must Burn. So this is a collection of short stories by Black authors, and I believe they are influenced by Octavia Butler. I love the cover. This cover is amazing. I don't know much about it. I just know when I realized they were doing this, I wanted a copy, so I requested. And I'm definitely gonna read it. I'm gonna read it, and I also wanted to read it because it'll give me an intro to some of these authors. Because a lot of these authors on there, I've only read work from two, and the others I haven't. So maybe if I like how their writing style and the short story, that it might encourage me to actually pick up their books and see how I like it. So that's how I'm approaching this one. The next book on my list is another book that I tried to read last year and I never got to it, and it's called Romance by Joan Riley, and it's a Caribbean book, so I need to get another Caribbean book on my read list for the year. Last March I did get one, so this will be one for April, and it's gotten the rate, but it's about two sisters, and the one has self-image issue. She's described as overweight. Other one is struggling with motherhood. That's what I'm getting from this. And the story traveled, I believe, between Jamaica and England. That's all I know. So I'm going into this one not really sure of the storyline. Besides the fact that they're influenced by also their grandparents in this. And it says when their grandparents, they listen to their grandparents on here, and arriving from Jamaica, and everything starts to look up. So I guess their grandparents came into the picture. So not sure, guys, not sure, but I'm kind of liking it. I'm not sure because I want to kind of soak it up and not know too much about what's going on in this story. Now the other books are on my Kindle. So I love Monty. I'm going to talk more about all this in my wrap up unless you saw my reading vlog. So I'm going to continue. So Royal, I didn't finish the story. I'm still almost done, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish it for this month. And then I'm going to continue on with book 2 and book 3. It's 6 books in the series. I did read the last one first, so I'm starting all over. So that is pretty much my goal as far as romance, and hopefully I like these. The reading vlogs will continue. I do have some tags to go along with some things that I want to do, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it now, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.